What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video. I was originally gonna do a video on like how everything kind of came together and kind of make this like a headliner video for my page and price everything out and kind of show all like the big things that I had to get through to get the swap done. But I'm using a new GoPro, and I guess I had an auto stop feature and it cut through a bunch of times, like halfway when I was talking. So this is just gonna be a street driving video. So I'm gonna go drive the car. I'm gonna have my wife Stephanie get in the car and we're gonna give her a ride. And this is being filmed after all that. So actually right now we're gonna go to Mexico and do a quick little thing too for this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut to the driving part. Actually, before I do that, let me show you a couple things that I also did. So a lot of you saw my car caught on fire. I blew up one of the oil lines. It blew off, so I got clamps on those now. I kind of have an idea why it happened. My oil pump is a little intense for what it needs to be, but yeah, I've been driving it a lot and it's been good now. Those clamps are definitely helping, so that isn't really a problem anymore. But now I'm gonna go ahead and cut to me getting in the car and driving it, and then we'll come back to what I'm about to do right now. All right, I also recently wired up the memory bank, so this thing starts with no problem. So let's get this thing warmed up. Just like it's OEM. Especially down here in California. So as you guys saw, it runs awesome now. Not having any issues so far, but we're gonna go ahead and pick up Stephanie and see what she thinks of the car. All right, so I got Stephanie in the car now. Testing out the 360 cam, so we're gonna go for a little drive and see what her reaction is. Now it's gonna need to be, watch, it's gonna need to be jumped now. It always starts now. Oh, you gotta trust it. Stephanie's writing on my, or she's gonna write on my switch panel because it needs to be labeled. What did you think of the car?
I thought it was definitely a lot faster, and you can definitely feel the power behind it when
the torque.
The torque when you.
What about compared to the FA20?
A total change.
Yeah.
Like when you compete with this, it's gonna really make a difference.
Well, as long as I can get the rear end gripped up, so. But that's why I'm getting feel coilovers.
But yeah, I'm proud of you. You did this all in our garage of our apartment.
Yeah, that's another thing. I use no like power tools except for like a grinder, which is not fun. It takes so much longer. And I did it in this like tiny 2-car garage. If you guys haven't been watching me do it, and I did it in a year. So yeah, I'm gonna probably have some friends come over in a little bit, and we might film some more when it's dark. We might go to Mexico. We'll see. But for now, we'll see you guys when my friends get here. Sure. So we just got back from Mexico, and this thing rips so much harder now. I don't know if I've talked about it before. I need to go over the videos again when I edit it, but this thing with the new compression and just the engine being just rebuilt and refreshed feels so much better than the old engine. I talked about it last video actually, now that I think about it, but I've been street driving it. It's been reliable, so we're gonna go to the track again soon. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like on the video. I'll try to go over some of the pricing stuff later. If you're curious, it costed me about $3,500 out of pocket. Really quick, like a real quick tip, don't blow your engine up before you do the swap. Sell it and sell your transmission and sell all your parts. You'll make so much money off of it, and that's gonna really help you. That's what helped me. I made like $4,000 back off of like all my stuff, so that took a big chunk out, and that's basically why I was able to only pay $3,500, because it paid for itself in a sense. But other than that, like I said, leave a like on the video, comment if you have any questions, or if you liked my driving and new GoPro and 360 cam, and I'll see you guys next time.